Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace, I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. In this video today, I'm going to show you something that is so easy yet so powerful that it's going to blow your mind, okay? You could make $347 per hour of work if it even takes you that much time to put together this stuff that I'm about to show you. It's so easy. So if you want to make money online fast, you better watch this to the end. Don't skip anything because I'm going to lay it all out for you. So let's get started right now. So guys, I really hope nobody clicks off today because the strategy that I'm going to share with you today, it's going to be insanely simple and pretty much I would say anyone could be able to do it. You don't need a lot of skills. I'm going to give you all the basics to start with, and with practice, you could get a lot better at this and make very, very, very good money with it. And I'm being very conservative with my numbers, so the $347 per hour, it's going to be just on the low end, okay? So I'm going to show you some examples. Now, this strategy also can be done with anything. So I'm going to show you this one method, but it can apply to many other things as well, okay? So what am I talking about? I'm so excited to tell you. I'm talking about my favorite platform, okay? Which is, of course, TikTok, okay? This is going to be the platform I'm going to be using to show you how to make this kind of crazy money, okay? This is a business model that I use myself. So the business model that you're going to be using is affiliate marketing. And for this method, I'm going to show you how to make a lot of money with small, low ticket products on here. And it's going to be amazing, and I cannot wait to show you, okay? If you don't know what TikTok is a social media platform where you can record 15-second videos, a crazy amount of money because of the reach that you can get on TikTok right now, okay? If you're not on TikTok and making money, you're just denying yourself, okay? And it's really not that hard. And this method, you really don't need to show your face if you don't want to. But if you show your face, that's how you could gain trust. And so I'm going to show you how people on TikTok right now are making massive amounts of commissions from the Amazon affiliate program, okay? So they are using TikTok and Amazon and combining these two and making explosive income for themselves. And I'm going to give you two examples of how to do this. One's going to be a little bit more complicated, and the second one is very simple, okay? And both ways will work, okay? So it's just a matter of you want to get it more fancy or not. So what you want to do is go on your phone, okay? It works on iPhones and Android. You download it from your app store, install it, create an account. It's very self-explanatory. Just start an account. So before I go into how to set it up, I'm just going to talk about Amazon, the Amazon affiliate program. So what is Amazon affiliate marketing? It is about recommending Amazon products and showing people Amazon products. And then when somebody buys from your Amazon link, you will get commission from that product. So if you typed Amazon Associates in Google, you will get this first link. You go to this and you can sign up for their affiliate program. So this is their affiliate program. You could just click this sign up button and follow the prompts, and you could use the email that you already use on, like normally when you go on Amazon to shop, or you can use a brand new one if you want to keep it separate. I use a brand new one because I don't want to mix it up with my personal and work. So it's very important you don't buy from your own affiliate links, okay? You're not going to get commissions for buying your own from your own affiliate links. Okay, so this is the program. Read about it because they do have a lot of quirks that, you know, you want to know about the program because they can cancel you at any time if you don't follow the rules, okay? So what's great about Amazon is that once somebody clicks on your affiliate link and goes on Amazon and they shop, so even for your product, so maybe they put your product in the cart right away, and then they continue shopping at Amazon and they buy a few more things. Well, guess what? If they buy all that stuff within 24 hours of them clicking on your affiliate link, you get commissions on that whole cart that they were buying, okay? So that's what's great about the Amazon affiliate program. You could earn commissions on products that you didn't recommend just because they clicked on your link and they bought within 24 hours, okay? But the bad thing is about Amazon is that they are decreasing their commission rates more and more. Like it seems like every year they want to decrease it more and more. But even right now, at the lowest commission rates that I've ever seen Amazon have, you can still make a killing. And I'm going to give you examples of how people are doing it on TikTok, okay? So you follow the sign up prompt and you follow through. There's a lot of information that they're going to ask you. They may ask you for a website. Maybe you could put like TikTok, your account link. So once you create your TikTok account, go on your browser or go behind, go on your settings in your TikTok profile, and it will have a share profile. And when you click that, you get your link. So you can use that as your website when you go sign up. And once that is done, then you can get access to affiliate links inside your dashboard back there, okay? Once that is done, once you have your TikTok and your Amazon set up, I'm just going to now show you how people are doing on TikTok. So if you're on TikTok and you search the tag Amazon or Amazon Finds or Amazon Prime, any of the Amazon hashtags, okay? So what people are doing is literally making these very easy to do. Look at this little dispenser, a soap dispenser for your sponge, and it's a very simple product. It's like a $11 product. So all you gotta do is demonstrate the product, how it's used in your 15-second video, which should not take you over an hour to make, okay? So these videos on TikTok, it's only 15 seconds long or 60 seconds. All of my videos are very short. I mostly do short videos, so you don't even need 15 seconds if you could convey your message very quickly. And so that's what these people are doing on these hashtags, okay? And you can get tons of different ideas on how people are doing this, okay? So this is one example, very easy, right? So they're showing you, and then on the profile of this person, they're going to have a link on the profile. Now, in order to get a link on your profile, you do need 1,000 followers before you get a link. But if you don't have that, what you can do is, because the TikTok profile can be linked to an Instagram account, then you would just open an Instagram account and make the link there on your bio. And then in your TikTok, you could just tell them to go to your Instagram's profile for the link, okay? Or what you can do is, instead of doing that, because your conversions will go down a lot if you don't have the link in your TikTok profile, then I would just share a bunch of Amazon stuff until you get 1,000 followers, and then you will just have your link, and then you can start doing this method better, okay? So once you have the link in your bio, this is what you're going to link to though in your bio, okay? So I'm going to show you some examples of how people's linking. This person is one of the top guys, okay? If you go to these Amazon Finds or Amazon hashtag, you see this soap dispenser, this is top online finds. So this is that profile, top online finds. And they already have over 1 million followers on their profile already. So this person has been doing it for a little while. I don't think this person has been doing it that long though. But look, this is the end already. And let's see, April. Okay, so that has not been that long at all to get 1 million followers, 1.5 million followers since April. Okay, so their website. Okay, so this is going to be a more fancy website, and you do not need a fancy website. Okay, I want to stress that you do not need to learn how to make something like this. And actually, making something like this is actually very easy, because if you go to one of their posts, this post will literally take you 20 minutes, like 10 minutes, You could just have a tiny little description that will link to the place where you're going to have to earn commission. Now, this particular one, they're not all linking to Amazon. So that's why their name is not very Amazon-ish. So it's just top online finds, which is actually very smart of them, because then now they could join any affiliate program, right? And do any products, not just Amazon products. But, you know, people are crazy about Amazon. And so you may want to focus, but you know, when you're naming your account or naming your website, never use Amazon, okay? You cannot have Amazon's name on anything that you do, except when you're writing. Yeah, you can, but you don't even need to write Amazon or anything like that. But instead, you could say buy here or check the price on Amazon here. And if you use the word Amazon, it's a trust thing, right? And I know this one is actually not Amazon. This one goes to Target. I was looking at this earlier. And so that's why I know that, that this person is using multiple affiliate programs for this method I'm showing you, okay? So that's what I'm saying. Like, I'm just telling you one thing, which is Amazon, but you could use this on so many different types of niches and so many different types of affiliate programs. This is low ticket. Remember, I'm showing you, I'm doing a high ticket. So there's so many different ways you can do affiliate marketing, okay? So this is one way. So you do a little video, 15-second video showing people how it works, and then they tell people to go to your link, they go to your website, they find it, they click on it, then they go to the merchant that is selling it. This one is going to be going to Target. So when they buy it, that person earns a commission. Okay, this one's a $40 item, and that could be like a 4% or 3% from Target. So that's something here. And remember how many views this person got on it. It's right now it's got 19,000. So this is their latest view product, right? So their latest post. So it's going to take a little while for it to grow. But for instance, this is the account that has that sponge. And guess what they have on here? 19.2 million views, okay? So I just want to calculate something for you guys to kind of fathom what kind of explosive amount of money that you can actually make on here, okay? So 19 million, okay? This is a quick example. I'm just doing a very, very quick example here. Okay, so these are views. And if you want to see about how many actual people it reaches, it tells you in your analytics if you have a business account. So if you set up your TikTok, you should do pro account. Okay, so it's about 80. So for my account, it's about 85% is actual unique people that I reach. So I'm going to say 75% for this one. So I'm always estimating on the low end, okay? So I'm going to say of the 19 million views, I'm going to say only 75% are actual people, like the unique people that viewed this video. So that's still 14.4 million people. So let's say not even 1% buys, okay? Not even 1%, not even 0.5% buys. I'm going to look at 1/4 of 1%, okay? So I'm going to times this. So this would have been 1%, right? But I'm not going to do 1%. I'm going to do 1/4% of people buy, okay? That's 36,000 people buying. And this product is, so I found it on Amazon. This is $10.99, okay? So I'm going to times $10.99. But that's not how much you're making. Amazon pays out kitchen. You see kitchen here, 4.5%. So what's 4.5% of this? Wow, that video probably made her $17,000, around there, like 5 figures. Even if it's $10,000, it's pretty darn good for one 15-second video. And guess what? She could repost that. She or he could repost that one and get even more views and more sales and so forth, okay? So these are very, very conservative numbers, okay? I'm going to show you another person. This person only started, oh my God, June 17, okay? This account started June 17. first post 1.9 million. So I don't know if if this was an old account and then they switched it to the Amazon. I don't know if that's the case. So that I don't know the history of the account, how it started. So I'm not gonna say, oh, that's this first post got 1 million views. But guess what? It is actually possible that your first post have 1 million views. I've seen it done on TikTok, not just one time. So I'm just going to show you a conservative one that you don't get a lot of views. So from this account, stuff you actually need, most of the views, except for the very latest one, it's like around 200,000 and up, the views, number of views, okay? Nothing was below, like, I think one of them is just under 200,000. So this green strainer got like 242,300 views. So actual reach, oops, times actual reach. So there's actually that many people actually viewing, and let's say only 1/4%, okay, not even 1%. So 1/4% actually buy. So that's 454 people actually buying the strainer. This strainer costs $16.99. Okay, so times $16.99, and this is a kitchen item again, so you only get 4.5%. Okay, $347 from showing somebody how to use this little strainer. Now, is this not powerful? I don't know. I think it's super powerful, and that's why I'm so excited to show you guys. And it's going to be a longer video because I just want to show you guys this potential of this method is incredible. Okay, so that's 347 from a 15-second video. So someone will ask me, well, where do I get the products? I would need to buy the products. Yeah, you buy the product for $17 and you made $347. And guess what? The link he's using. Okay, if you go to this guy's account, he's using a free website like Linktree. Okay, this is Linktree. He's using Linktree. So this is what I'm talking about, being super simple. Look at this. This is an incredible way to do an Amazon affiliate site when you're just sharing each post and then have a link for each post on here, one page, and someone just needs to scroll to the post number. And this person is not even posting daily. It's posting, every other day, once a day maybe. So this is a very simple way for you guys to make money online very fast and very easily. So that is my video for today. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope there was a lot of value, and I hope you saw the potential of this awesome method that nobody is telling you about, only I am. So subscribe to my channel, like this video, turn on your notifications so you can see awesome ways like this to make money online. And I might even open one of these myself and show you how much money I could make too. So you never know. All right. So I hope you really try this method and let me know how you do. Okay. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.